That already looks 3 times better, but we need to run the seat belts. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to be giving the Camaro a very subtle upgrade to the interior. So if we walk around to the car, and as you guys know, I have a pretty much base model LT1 with a few options added to it. So we have the cloth seats going on, and I mean, they're okay. I don't really like them that much, especially since I have the leather seats in my Mustang. So Custom Interior hooked it up, and we're going to be installing some leather seat covers. Sully's also just about ready to get that Whipple supercharger, but just to underline how bad the cloth interior is, it's not really bad, it's just not my preference. But I mean, you can see it right here. We do have some spots where it's fading because the cloth interior is super hard to clean. And yeah, we're just gonna give it a nice upgrade with these seat covers. So big shout out to Custom Interior. I will link them down in the description below. All right, let's see what's inside the actual box. I know I get the back seats with this kit as well. I wish I had someone to record me, but the zesty man is working right now. Here's what we have in the box, so I can already see the black leather. Now the black leather portion is the outside, and in the middle of it, the perforations are gonna be white. All right, there we go. This is a moment of truth here. Is this a headrest or something? Yeah, it does look like it. I don't know if these are interchangeable between the passenger side and the driver's side, but we'll see right now. Well, at least we know that the fitment isn't going to be wonky because this is like a really tight fit. Sorry about the lighting. I'll work around to this side. That's what the headrest is looking like so far. Then you can put it down like you had it before. The cool thing about this kit is that you can actually tuck all the leather away for the inserts for the push button. So I'm probably once again gonna have to put the camera down, but that'll be all flush once I tuck it. Now that both of those headrests are tucked, I'm gonna put in a seat. So that's the white portion that I was talking about. Let's see how this works. All right, take a look at how crazy this is gonna look. That makes the world difference. So this is the seat pad they gave me. Compare that to the cloth, and you really can't compare the two. What I'm doing right now to install is pulling the tabs through on the other side. I don't know if you can see them, but they're like these plastic things. I just pulled them through the bottom side. This is gonna be hard to visualize, right? But this is the intended design. I'll try and zoom. But you want these hooks to be planted on the outside flush. This right here is how I'm gonna run the side strap. So I went down where the seat belt is, went around with the Velcro and attached it to the other side. That'll all get tucked down right now in just a second. So we're gonna take this and push it down so it sits flush. Here's your half and half. So you have your leather seat cover right here. This also actually has cushion in it. This was the cushioning that I was referring to. So it's nice and it's actually pretty thick. It's about, I'd say, over an inch thick of cushioning right here. Now I'm actually gonna put in the seat. I think that looks right now. So make sure when you're doing this yourself, if you pick these up, that this side aligns with that right there. Trying to really form the fitment here. This piece is a lot harder than the bottom, but again, I think these clips were designed to be pushed through the other side, and then they anchor because they hold. If we flip the seat, you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Maybe with the clip. So yeah, it anchors like that because it sits flush. Just for reference, what I've been doing with these is just like finding something to hook them on. So I'll go under there with a flashlight and find like a metal bar. It's a cylinder, and I just hook those on. Overall, I'm actually super impressed with the quality of this. I mean, the padding is super comfortable. I just sat in it. The fitment is like almost 100% perfect. I mean, obviously you can't get this perfect. It's close to being perfect. Go ahead and say it, but if I didn't tell you that that was a seat cover, you really wouldn't be able to tell until you look super closely. Like, you have to look for it. It looks flawless, not gonna lie. Wow. It's getting dark on me. I'm almost done though, and then I'll do the back seats, but I'm not gonna show this process because it's pretty much the same thing as that. It's not pretty much, it is the same. And I think the sun has set on me, or almost has completely, but these seats are insane, man. Look at this. Wow. And I actually, like, no BS, I feel a noticeable difference in the cushioning. It's a lot more comfortable, especially on your butt area and your back. I can feel it because there's styrofoam in here too. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the back seats tomorrow when we actually have light, because you can't see anything, and for like installing purposes you want to have light. Boom, we are back, and yes, I chopped all my hair off. I actually like how it looks short. It's not too bad, But we are going to be finishing up this install here with the seats. So we got the back seats. We're going to slide those on over. Actually, that makes it super easy. It's just one big piece. Getting the back seat done right now. Now, for this install stuff, you got to be patient. You got to tuck everything and make it look nice. Because if you just want to throw it on there and do a half-butt job, because we don't want to curse, then it's not going to look nice. But again, with these plastic bits, you want to shove that behind the seat and then pull it through the backside so that you have a nice and firm fitment. We're gonna secure these seats so there's a Velcro on each side. So it should just like Velcro on just like that, and then you can push it up forward. All right, I've got these pretty much all sorted out. I'm still gonna do some more tucking right here to get it real nice and flush, but that gives you the general idea. What do you say? That's a big upgrade.
Yeah, it looks way better than it did before.
Yeah, with the cloth, that's no good. We gotta give it to Kustom Interior, man, for hooking it up. So once again, if you wanna check them out, I'll link them down in the description below. So I'm gonna lift the back seat up. You really have to tug on it. It's a really tough clip. And then maybe I can put these behind. I think it's best if you just remove the entire seat. So you gotta grab like here.
Rip it right up.
Yeah, and then this should slide out.
Yep. Ejectocito, cuh.
Oh. What I was talking about. This is why I wanted to take the seat out, so I could actually go like this, right? And then clip it to the front. The front, just like that. Bro.
You have the longer end.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Christ.
Yeah. Here, you should, oh, wait.
You got it?
Close, hold on.
There we go.
We snapped it in.
So don't put the Velcro straps through the seatbelt holes, put them over, because it helps it stretch properly. So you can see one right here, one right here. And then what we did is there are loops on the side. So you need to take the strap that comes from here, run them through the loops, and then clip it to the front. Now you have this. It's all set and ready to go. That already looks 3 times better, but we need to run the seat belts before I forget. That is the finished result. So massive upgrade. Why would you even buy Recaros or like replacement seats and spend thousands when you could just buy these for 500 and have a completely redone interior? One last time I'm gonna show it and then we're gonna conclude this vlog. So this interior had a major glow up. For a base model LT1 to be looking like a 2SS right now is insane. Wow. Big shout out to Kustom Interior. That is a massive upgrade. And like I said, they're super comfortable. How does it feel, like the cushioning?
It feels like a very nice OEM leather luxury interior.
Yeah, it does, honestly. Like, I just sat in the driver's and passenger seat, and I can definitely feel the difference in cushion. So on that note, we're gonna go ahead and close out this vlog. If you guys enjoyed it,
please comment, like, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.